Ha? Hindi.
Hindi mo? Ay, bablog mo na naman ha.
Ito, vlogging oh. There's a trail over there, unexplored. Okay, we made the wrong turn, but we got some hardcore adventure.
Hello mga boss! Today we are headed to KTM BGC for yet another loaner bike. Yes, meron ulit tayo na hiram na motor for yet another bike review. Well, it all started out with an interesting chat with Chill Pusit over FB Messenger. Si Chill Pusit kasi has a Svart 401 and he doesn't really babysit his bike. Off-road adventure talaga yan with his Svart 401. Interestingly, we are planning to do another review of this bike. The first time we did a review kasi of the Svartpilen 401, we only had a short test ride of this bike around BGC lang. Medyo bitin, and honestly, we weren't able to cover a lot during that time. Well, this time around, gusto natin i-maximize yung usage of this modern scrambler bike by bringing it to the expressways and off-road places. Sagad kung sagad. And the best way to do that is to bring this bike with Chill Pusit on tow. Para masaya, diba? Tandem ride to the remote places in Batangas and everywhere else. But before that, let's get the bike first from KTM BGC. Tara!
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say.
Hey guys, so we are here now at KTM BGC, their new showroom. So lumipat na sila just literally a stone's throw away. We are here to pick up the Svartpilen 401. So since bago yung showroom, let me tour you around sa bago nilang trike. Okay? Hello sir. Morning.
Ako si JM. Hi.
From Antipolo.
From Antipolo.
Shout out sir.
Hi. So my...
Visit na kayo sa bagong showroom natin, sir. Located at 9th Street Corner, Lane O. Bagong-bago. Visit na kayo, sir.
And you guys probably know already, si Sir Chris Bautista of KTM BGC. Hi sir! So ito yung showroom, doon punta tayo sa service area. And here's our Svartpilen 401 with Sir Maynard. Hi Sir Maynard! Sir, can you say something about the 401?
401, sobrang pogi, number one. Elegante tingnan. Tapos, yes, at the same time, rugged. Sa tingin ko, size niya, perfect for the Philippine roads. Engine capacity niya, perfect ngayon dahil mahal ng gasolina, di ba?
Right. And again, we have Sir Maynard from KTM BGC. Thank you, sir.
But since it is a bit late in the day to do any trips, first agenda natin was to do some video shoots of the bike. Mainam na yun habang andyan pa yung pamangking ko to assist me as my cameraman. So off we went to our usual spot dito sa Antipolo. And since this is a scrambler, di syempre pwede mawala yung onting off-road shots. Yun lang, very limited ang off-road locations na pwede natin puntahan dito malapit sa amin di sa Antipolo. Bawi na lang ako ng shoot on our off-road adventure the following day. Okay, very early in the morning, nakita na nga kami ni Chill Pusit as we head down to San Juan, Batangas, going to Malabrigo Lighthouse dito sa Lobo, Batangas. Mahaba-habang biyahe yun, a few hours, even with the expressways. So kailangan we really have to start very early if we want to go home with the sun still up. We were really excited sa umpisa pa lang and really quite obvious as we traverse SLEX. Well, this is the first time I'm riding with Chill Pusit and boy, this guy rides fast. But then we decided, or at least I decided that we stop over sa Petron dito sa SLEX just in case I need my bathroom break. Ganon kasi ako sa umaga, lalo na pag excited, CR ng CR. But anyways, on the way we saw a familiar face when we stopped over sa Petron. Say hi, Raul! Ayun na nga, nakalimutan na natin mag-CR. Dumiretso na rin agad kami after some short chit-chat with friends. Pero okay lang, goods pa naman eh. Diretso na lang sa biyahe. The ride in the expressways with the Svartpilen was really fun. Pucha, all my initial feedback about this bike being tame and all has vanished completely. Grabe, feels very much like my Duke 390. Napakabilis. The fact that this looks like a scrambler makes you feel that it was actually riding faster. Sarap din na handling as I can easily zip through cars with ease. Yun lang, since this is just a loaner bike, lagi akong pumipila sa cash lane sa mga tollways. Such a bummer, haba pa naman na mapila lagi. But then, after some long stretches, we exited at Lipa, Batangas and passed through the city traffic. And before we knew it, we were in San Juan, Batangas na.
Playa, Laia.
We could see the beach, yeah.
Ganda dito.
That also means malapit na kami sa off-road.
Virgin Beach.
Grabe, sobrang excited na kami to finally get this thing on the dirt. And the place did not disappoint. Haba ng stretches of unpaved roads, full dirt, ika nga. May nakasabay pa kami na group of big adventure bikes which made the trip a bit more fun.
Hey, where does this go? Does this go anywhere?
A few times we took the wrong turn.
Okay, we made a wrong turn. Balik kami, balik. Dapat pala dito.
But just the same, Chill Pusit was just plain happy wherever the road took us. It was all adventure to this guy. Habang ako pinagpapawisan trying to keep the bike upright.
Truck. Wow, can't see. Sarap. Sige.
Grabe, ganda ng lugar. Totally opposite ng kalsada. Just breathtaking. Grabe.
Hi.
Where are we going? That's a good question. Where are we going?
We were supposed to take the old road leading to the Malabrigo Lighthouse, which is our real destination, but ended up taking a new road being constructed paakyat ng bundok. It was all dirt and very steep roads. Really challenging. But my riding buddy was having the best time of his life. Bagal ko daw kaya lagi ako iniiwan eh. But anyways, at the end of the road, nandun naman siya para hitayin ako.
Tara.
We did manage to reach the lighthouse after a while. And surprisingly, may nakakilala sa atin na subscriber natin. Shoutout sa inyo, Sir Alex of Antipolo. Thanks for the chit chat. See you around again. Anyway, after a while, saglit lang din kami dito sa lighthouse, and on our way to Batangas City, we dropped by Monte Maria.
Awesome ride?
Then we ate our late lunch at Batangas City before finally heading home.
So, nag-lunch lang kami ni Chili Pusit. Tara!
Kinabukasan, another day, another adventure with the Svartpilen. This time, papunta kami ng Santa Ines dito sa Tanay Rizal.
Let's go!
Usually, pag nakahiram kasi ako ng motor, nakagawian na namin aking bulso na to do a tandem ride kung saan-saan. Bonding moments, ika nga.
Another day, another adventure. So today pupunta tayo ng Santa Ines. So mag-off-road ulit tayo for another time.
This time, we decided to bring the bike to a river crossing. Ginawa na namin yung dati with another bike and he totally enjoyed it. This bike should be capable enough to do that, so susubukan ulit namin with the Svartpilen. Dito lang naman yun, lagpas lang ng Manukan. A bit of off-road on the way, pero an easy work para dito sa Svart 401. Veteran na to ng Lobo off-road so such simple and paved roads are nothing anymore to this bike. Initially, we thought of taking the first river crossing spot, pero ang daming tao.
Kasi di pa ako napunta dito eh.
Oh!
Ayos no? Huwag kaya yan?
Mas maganda dun sa kabila kasi parang marami. Kasi pili ko pang swimming at tubo.
Doon tayo sa kabila?
Okay.
So we just decided to turn around and head on to another more remote spot.
Doon tayo sa kabila.
Isa pa, sa dami ng tao, nakakaya mag-video-video. So atras na lang kami.
River crossing. Malalim kaya?
So yun nga, after a few kilometers on the way, we reach our spot. This part of the river crossing is the more challenging one. Pababa kasi yung kalsada and walang kabuelo-buelo. So sabak agad yan sa river. Pero okay lang, ang sarap ng tubig, warm and very clear. The water is quite deep pero kayang-kaya ng bike. So we did a few more crossings back and forth. Then we decided to head on to the next river crossing, not far from where we are at.
Malakas pa ito.
This time, the land is more level and the water shallower. Mas masarap magtampisaw doon. A very good place to have some bit of video shoot. And after we had our time, we decided to head back home. But before that, we passed by the newly constructed suspension bridge. Napansin namin a few scooters crossing this bridge na pwede naman. Seems like an adventure, so subukan din namin.
Tandahan mo na.
Tatawid kami sa
Grabe, enjoy na nakakatakot, lalo na pag nasa gitna ka na.
At ang ilan dulas ng pa ako. Tangina. Magalaw. Tangina ang galaw. Ang galaw nga. Bakit ka?
We did a few more crossings, tapos ayun na, solved na kami doon. So, after that, we headed back home.
Alright, time to return this baby to its original owner. Sasoli na natin to si Svartpilen. Okay, time to return this bike. So, how's the bike? How's the experience with the bike? For the rest of the duration that I have this bike, let's do some reviews and ride impressions. Okay?
Yeah, that's just about right. We have used the bike for a good 3 days already now, and it is about time we look at the bike in an urban setting. Kaya this time, on its 4th day, ikot-ikot muna tayo around Metro Manila, feel the bike as an everyday commuter. And in the process, kuha na rin tayo ng additional video clips around Manila for our upcoming bike review. The 4 days with the Svartpilen 401 was actually eye-opening. A lot of initial impressions I had from a year back was actually, in a way, replaced with good ones. So good as a matter of fact that I really want to own one of this bike. But then again, I still have my Duke 390 and I am torn. Anyway, you can watch my review of the Svartpilen 401 in this video. Thanks to KTM BGC for allowing me to borrow the bike for several days. Really did get myself confused now. Thank you for that. Well, I guess that's just about it. Thank you guys for watching. If you really like this video, do hit the thumbs up and subscribe to BossTL PH. And don't forget to click that notification bell to be notified of our new uploads. Right? As I always say, stay awesome, stay safe. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.